This daily market update has been brought to you by Daily Wealth Report. Trading involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for you. Past performance is no guarantee or reliable indication of future results. All advice and education content is of the nature of general information only and must not in any way be construed or relied upon as legal, financial, or personal advice. Good morning, traders and investors. It's Monday, the 17th of September, and we've seen a continuation of the bullish market conditions following the US FOMC statement on Friday morning. So European markets were up, not as strongly as they had been the previous night, but certainly showing a continuation of buyer activity. As we could see with the FTSE, it was up 95 points or 1.6%, quite a strong movement. However, we can see the last candle there on the right hand side has got a shadow on top, so a little bit of hesitation in the later part of the session. Probably some profit taking heading into the weekend. The German DAX also found a continuation of buys. It was up 101 points or 1.4%, closing at 7,412, whilst the French CAC 40 had gained 79 points or 2.2%, so quite a strong movement there, closing at 3,581. All of the European leading indices there showing reasonably strong buyer activity pushing into new medium-term highs. The US markets were also up. Again, not as strong as they had been on Thursday in reaction to the US Fed statement. However, the Dow Jones Index had gained 53 points or 0.4%, closing at 13,593. You can see that continued short-term rally there, pushing into long-term highs. So the Dow hasn't been up this high since 2007, so that's a good move there. The Nasdaq Index had gained 28 points or 0.9%, closing at 3,183. And the S&P 500 index was up 5 points or 0.4%, closing at 1,465. The ASX 200 was up quite strongly on Friday as well in reaction. It had gained 51 points, closing at 4,390. We could see the strong bullish candle forming there. It is testing the highs, the high point there from mid-August, and is just showing a continuation of the trend now. It had threatened to change trend as it fell below its 20-period moving average, so on the short term it was showing the potential to change direction, but we're now re-established a new higher low point and a continuation of the overall trend. We're coming up to this previous high point of 4,450, so we'll be seeing some further bullish activity on the opening bell with the SPY up 20 points, and what we'll be looking for here is the strength of those buys as the index pushes through 4,400 and see if it can maintain some good momentum to break through 4,450. So the expectations at the moment for the trend to continue. We do have some very interesting economic data coming out through the week, a bit of Chinese data, and with the Australian data we've got new vehicle sales today for Monday to start the week off, so that could have an impact on what's happening with the Australian market as well. And that's our update for Monday. We hope that gives you a little bit of a rundown on where we're at the moment, and we'll evaluate the markets over the coming sessions just to see how strong this buyer movement is. Wish you all the best of trading and look forward to speaking to you again tomorrow.